Hello class, I'm going to show you how to do your quiz assignments this week for week 3. As you can see, you're going to go to a website, wikiart.org, and you're going to find an artwork that you like looking at that's interesting to you. And you're going to talk about at least 3 of the 7 elements of art that are in your work of art. I've given you an example here. It's a really good one, and it talks about lines. So when you do your first one, if you were to do line, you'd write it, and then you'd explain how the artist used line. This is the work of art that they're using. All right, so I was starting my answer here. Let me delete it. So before you can start your answer, you gotta find the work of art that you want. So you're gonna click on wikiart.org. Here is the first page, which is just a random assortment of artworks. You can use that. You can search by artist name if you have a favorite artist. You can search by artworks, genres, the media that it was made of, the art movement. There's all different ways you can search, from countries or nationalities, from different time periods. But if it's easier, you can use the random search. And you're going to pick one that you feel like you can talk about. You can load more if you don't see anything. One that you feel like you can talk about. Let's see. Maybe I will do. I like this. This is kind of nice. But you can do abstract or representational. We'll talk about what abstract means a little later. I'll do this. This is cool. William H. Johnson. Okay, so I picked that one. I'm going to click on it. And I want to be able to look at it while I'm answering the question. So I need to put it over here to the side while I do this question. Make sure you kind of minimize it so you can see it while you write. So I want to first put the information about the artist. So you might need to make it a little bit bigger so you can see that information. William H. Johnson. It's called Jitterbugs by William H. Johnson. So I'll write Jitterbugs by Jitterbugs by William H. Johnson. And then the D2L doesn't allow you to put an image in your answer. So what you're going to need to do, you can do 2 things. You can write, you can actually, don't do this. Don't click this address because it's not going to lead me anywhere. You're going to click on this little I. That's the information, the artwork page and the information. You can right click on the artwork and copy the image address, or you can actually copy the address in that little in the internet navigation bar. So you hit copy, and then you're going to put that web address in your test answer. So that way I can go to it and check your answer. So I want to talk about his really great use of color. So what I'm going to do is type, or I'll do like a number 1, and I'll do color. And then I'll talk about complementary colors, the bright yellows that make it energetic. You know, you can do talk about anything that catches your eye. Shape I might do. I might also do space, the way he makes it look very flat. So if you have any questions about that, go ahead and email me anytime, and I'll do my best to get back with you as quickly as possible. Thank you.